The Dyson Gen5detect is not just another vacuum cleaner. It's a revolutionary cleaning tool designed to redefine the way we experience hygiene in our homes. Packed with cutting-edge technology and innovative features, the Gen5detect promises a superior cleaning performance and a healthier living environment. The Gen5detect isn't just technologically advanced, it's aesthetically pleasing too. Its sleek and modern design features a lightweight, balanced body for effortless maneuverability. The wall-mounted dock provides a convenient storage solution and ensures your vacuum is always charged and ready for action. The Gen5detect features a green optic LED light positioned at the edge of its hard floor cleaning head. This light is designed to reveal dirt and dust that might be less visible to the naked eye. One of our previous concerns was that the laser was hardly noticeable in well-lit conditions or with open blinds. Dyson has retained this technology, asserting that it has engineered the functionality to be twice as bright and to encompass a larger area of the floor. Dyson's primary brush heads incorporate an anti-tangle screw design, aiming to reduce the entanglement of long hairs and facilitate easier cleaning, and they perform effectively. In addition to these, the package includes a soft roller head, mini brush head, combination tool, integrated combination crevice, dusting brush tool, battery charger, and wall mount complete with a tool holder and screws. The vacuum's LCD screen displays a bar graph providing real-time feedback on the cleanliness of your floor. The Gen5detect boasts a completely new user interface that provides real-time feedback on the cleanliness of your room. Dyson achieves this through a sensor employing acoustics to count and classify particle sizes, causing bars on an LCD screen to ascend and descend based on the quantity of particles being eliminated. As you vacuum, 3 bars representing small, medium, and large particles fluctuate to indicate the amount of debris being removed. Dyson's advanced piezo sensor technology, a first in the industry, lies at the heart of the Gen5detect. This intelligent sensor continuously monitors dust particles as small as 10 microns, ensuring no microscopic dirt escapes its detection. Gone are the days of cleaning blindly. The Gen5detect reveals the invisible, allowing you to target hidden dust and achieve a truly immaculate clean. The 5th-generation motor technology is more compact, swifter, and more potent than its forerunner, revolving at speeds of up to 125,000 RPM, almost 9 times faster than a Formula One engine. Despite its formidable power, the motor operates remarkably quietly. This robust power tackles even the most stubborn dust and debris, leaving carpets spotless and hard floors gleaming. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, stubborn dirt embedded in carpets, or delicate surfaces, the Gen5detect has the right tool for the job. The Gen5detect takes the guesswork out of cleaning. Its intelligent features, like the auto mode, adjust suction power automatically based on the floor type, ensuring optimal cleaning performance while maximizing battery life. The LCD screen provides real-time information on dust levels, cleaning progress, and remaining battery life, empowering you with complete control over your cleaning experience. The Gen5detect doesn't just clean surfaces, it purifies the air you breathe. Its HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of dust particles and allergens as small as 0.1 microns, including pollen, pet dander, and dust mites. This advanced filtration system helps create a cleaner, healthier home environment for allergy sufferers and asthma patients. The battery, incorporating 10 lithium-ion cells, is notably longer than those found in other Dyson stick vacuums, contributing to its overall weight. While the manufacturer asserts a 70-minute runtime in eco mode on hard floors, the actual duration would be significantly less when employing full power on carpet. Initial observations suggested just under 12 minutes in this mode. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy. New user interface. HEPA filter. Great performance. Long battery life. Reasons to skip. No auto-empty station. Price. The Dyson Gen5detect is a game-changer for the cleaning industry. Its combination of powerful suction, intelligent technology, and user-friendly features elevates cleaning to a whole new level. This innovative vacuum cleaner offers a superior clean, a healthier home environment, and a truly effortless cleaning experience. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.